Hi Lynn, it's Ken at Doxon Toyota. I just wanted to do a walk around video on the C-HR that you're interested in. This has got the special two-tone paint. It's the XLE model. So it does come with all of Toyota's safety features, including blind spot monitor, backup camera with a big screen, lane keep assist, radar cruise control, pre-collision system. Good looking vehicle. And these drive really, really nice. They're fun to drive also, with lots of room. There's your estimated miles per gallon right there as well. So we've got very, very nice looking two-tone cloth seats with some blue trim inside. You also have climate control, air conditioning, so you set the temperature and you can forget about it. 2 years of free maintenance is also included at any Toyota dealer. And let me know when you'd like to come in and take a look at it. I'm at 253-394-0046. Again, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thank you for your interest in this C-HR XLE model. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.